YouTube, what is up? Today we are back at it again with another video, but this time we're inside VIP here in Mexico and we are about to try Subway, which I've tried a couple times, but I want you guys to see how it's like and how it tastes. And this is a VIP review. Stay tuned and I'm gonna show you guys around real quick so you guys can see what it's like inside. So what we got right now is Gran Malo, Luisito Comunica, patrocíname. A bunch of other stuff that we're not gonna be taking today because I don't drink anymore. Some chips, clamatos and stuff like that. Ultras. I don't recommend you guys drinking, so some different kind of variety of chips. You see that? We got a couple things we could eat right here inside VIP. Some fast food, got some burritos, and a bunch of other stuff like some of this. I don't know what that is. But we got some Asian food too, you know, Asian Express, which is kind of like Panda Express. Look at that. Maybe we could try this on another video if you guys would like me to try it. But right now we're shooting for the Subway. Look at that. Let's try Subway right now. The ingredients right here, guys. Look at that. That's some right there. I'm probably gonna take the Italiano BMT, which is right there. It's 170 pesos. I don't know how much exactly that is in dollars, but I'll leave a price right here. So yeah. El italiano BMT, por favor. Este voy a llevar. Okay. That's honey oats, which is avena y miel. And I used to get that when I was a little kid, so we're gonna relive some memories, you know. Mi papá siempre me compraba de este. Siempre agarraba de este pan. Ingredients that you can't have on that sandwich, but we can add it for a little bit more price, which is gonna be good. That's how it looks when it comes out. Todos, por favor. Sí. Make it nice and easy, you know. You gotta have those pickles in there, guys. ¿Me puedes echar extra olivos, por favor? Okay. That Subway is gonna be packed. Some purple onions, some green onions, bell peppers, I mean. Bell peppers are pretty good. Mayonnaise, look at that. Sí, gracias. Look at that, guys. A la verga. Hey, what's up, everybody? Yo, what's up, my boy? What you doing? This is my boy right here. We used to work together, right?
Yeah.
En una carnicería, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
That's your baby?
My girl, little girl.
Oh, damn, that's cute. Look at her.
Right now.
Yeah, pobrecita. Guys, this is one of my favorite drinks, guys. So look, check this out. It's an icy. Oh, dang, they don't have it. It's empty, but we do have some of these, which I haven't tried it, so let's try it. Just be safe and leave it up to there. So, alright guys, let's get to eating some Subway here in Mexico. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because I will be posting new videos every week. So gotta stay tuned, ¿no? This Subway es uno de los Subways aquí en la Vicente Guerrero. Look at it, right? Yes, see that? It's nice and hot too. And we got our icy right here, which is not really an icy, but it's okay. I think it does the job. It works, right? That's pretty good. Alright, let's take the first bite off of this Subway right here. Should I go get some chips? The good thing is that you can get some chips and then pay for it later, right? So I'm gonna go get some chips. I'll be right back. Alright, correction guys. I guess you do have to pay before you eat. So I don't want you guys to get in trouble. So make sure you guys pay. But I got some of these. Look at this. Flaming hot. Pretty good. I'm gonna put some inside of these. Man. Feliz año nuevo a todos los que están viendo el video. Let's try it. Ready? You guys ready? First bite. Reaction. 100% real. Está delicioso. I got a thing for mixing my food all the time. You guys can thank Jill for that. Guys, this is amazing. Did you guys hear about Andrew Tate being in jail?
The Matrix has attacked me.
What do you guys think about that? I think he said he was gonna get locked up. He said it would happen, and it happened. I guess he's down to 2 lives. He has 1 life left now, I guess. That is, if they don't put him in jail for the rest of his life, which is like 20 years. He is exposing them. He's exposing a lot of people. But no, got caught slipping, right? He got caught slipping, so he takes full responsibility. A lot of times, well, he says he does. So if he got caught slipping, I'm sure he's gonna take full responsibility, right? So maybe he says things that come out as harsh, but most of the things he says it adds up. It's pretty like true. Go ahead. Those are the ladies from Subway. They're really nice, so you guys can thank them for recording the process. But I was saying, maybe he says things that come out a little bit harsh, but you know, if you don't like it, then you shouldn't listen to it, honestly. But if you can learn something from him, like how not, if you're getting mistreated by females, then you probably shouldn't tolerate that, right? And if you want to make money and he knows how to make money and you believe you can trust him, then you should try it out. And if you don't, then don't try it. I think it's pretty simple, right? But who knows, man? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But so far I'm loving this Subway. And these puffs are amazing. This icy is out of this world. So if you guys ever come to a VIP here in Mexico, you know what they offer. I showed you guys already. I don't recommend the beer. Well, I recommend a healthy lifestyle. So drinking is probably gonna get you a little chubby. Food is too, but you gotta work it out. But you could probably work out the beer too, but there's a lot of more risk to that, right? Your liver, this too, but I don't know, man. I guess everybody can live their life, right? You guys are wondering if I'm gonna be able to finish a foot long. Yes, I am gonna finish it. I eat a lot. You know, I thought people were gonna look at me like a weirdo for recording and eating. There really isn't a lot of YouTubers here in my area, but your boy isn't embarrassed anymore like back then. Nothing to worry about. It's getting kind of spicy, guys. Like, these pills are really spicy. Like, more than usual. Have you guys tried the 2X? The 2X hot Cheetos? Well, they kind of taste like that. I think because we're in Mexico, we like really spicy stuff, but man, those are spicy. Bomb. Yo recomiendo este lugar. Si tienen prisa o si les gusta el Subway, bomb. Las trabajadoras amables, ¿no? I probably shouldn't have done that. It's hot. I finished my Subway. Now, the question is, are you gonna get one? And if you do, what's your favorite Subway? And if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe right here. Got a brain freeze. But yeah, if you like this video, like it, subscribe, because I will be posting new videos every week. I'll see you guys on the next video, and I'm out.